What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera distortion issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon. Now click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the camera distortion issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then check if your camera lens is cleaned or not. So if there is any dust or anything on your camera lens, then clean it. And after cleaning, if you have installed any camera lens protector, then remove that camera lens protector. And after that, the camera distortion issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then you can try clearing camera app cache memory. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on camera. Now in camera, click on storage, and from here click on this clear cache icon to clear the cache memory of camera. And after doing this, it will help you to fix the camera distortion issue. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then you can check for software updates. So for that, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now here check if you have any available update for your mobile software, then tap on download. And after downloading the latest software update in your phone, the camera distortion issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.